So tomorrow I'm heading over to meet Tools and Stuff. He's another Auckland YouTuber. And we're going to hang out and do some tool reviews and stuff. And that I'm really looking forward to that. That's tomorrow. One thing I'm a little bit worried about is going over to West Auckland. I don't know how that's going to go. I grew up in the south and now I live in the deep south. West Auckland, man. So I'm out here in the west now, and the further and further I get in, the more and more. I don't know, I've got my passport, but this passport doesn't get me in over there. I have to have a special one. I've got my special passport, and this is my brother's one, but luckily we're identical twins, so I can just use this one and I should be fine. That should get me in. So I'm just about to pull up at Tools and Stuff's place. Better put on the Festool beanie, because I'm out on official Takami woodshop business. Alright, let's see how we go, eh?
Where are you from?
South.
Passport. My friend.
Another thing I'm worried about is driving. Driving over there is a bit of a risk for me because I drive German, and over there you're only allowed one of 3 types of cars. You're allowed Ford Falcons, Holden Commodores, and Nissan Skylines. So we've got the arena all ready and all leveled. And it's time to let the, what are we going to call them? The battalion, they're not really battalions, are they?
So for our next Makita versus Makita challenge, we've got the DBO 180 Random Orbital Sander versus the DBO 180 Random Orbital Sander. They have a slightly different configuration. One's running a 60 grit while the other's on a 120. Top gear.
DBO 180 is doing donuts in true West Auckland fashion.
DBO 180, unfortunately, what the fuck is going on here?
Told me to honk my horn and show my passport, or my brother's passport, and he'll give me a challenge question, and if I give the right answer he'll let me in.
Any corded tools, my friend? Put 2 amp hour.
2 amp hours?
Yes, 2 amp hours, my friend. Don't make me make it 3.
Holy shit.
Thank you, my friend. Welcome to the West.
Oh, thank you. So I'm here today with Tools and Stuff, and we're testing the cut speed of the 5-inch Makita grinder and the 7-inch. They're cordless, brushless. This is the 18 volt. This is the 36 volt. We're also testing the mower line Pilsner and the dry hop Pilsner. We'll tell you at the end of the night how good those beers are.
Indeed.
the cutting test done, Rob and I are now going to have a go at grinding. We'll have a turn each on each grinder at stalling, and we're just going to turn them on, push them down as hard as we can, and see which one's
Kind of makes me nervous. Tools and Stuff's going to make us lunch. Very kindly going to make us lunch.
This is all the offcuts from decking and other projects. We start off with
A couple of bits of Vitex.
yeah, for sure. It's got to be Vitex, either side of a piece of foil.
Yeah, I thought that was going to be a true Westie barbecue when you had the
foils.
foil out.
Bit of into the foil, into the foil. I said, missed most of the foil.
Bit of fire lighter.
Bit of magic.
Step
stuff,
back.
and woof, away she goes. Simple as that.
Yeah.
So we let that sit.
Easy as, eh? That's the way it's done, man.
So we do it out west, bro.
Uh, 3 inches.
75 mil. 4 inches.
100 mil.
Oh, what about like 6 foot? What stuff?
What?
Grinders? Something about grinders. So in conclusion, I mean, I like the beer on the left. It's got a little more percentage. See, we've got 5.1 here versus only a 4.7.
Are you recording?
And of course I'm recording. Like I say, 5.1 versus 4.7 here, so that makes this one, gives that one an extra point in my opinion.
Yeah,
they're both named after a,
this one's got lime.
Yeah,
It's more limey.
it is more limey. Yeah, but if you're not a fan of the limeys, then you might want more of the dry hoppies.
Oh, I don't know.
I like a bit of hop.
Are you a fan of the hoppies?
I am a hoppy fan. But you get the 0.4% more alcohol. So
It is cordless, this one.
for our next Makita versus Makita, we've got impact drivers. We've got a subcompact brushless versus your regular size brushless. Who's going to win? This is Rob's. This is mine. I'm putting my money on this one.
And I'm putting my money on this one.
Right, so in the hand, this one, much lighter tool. They've both got 3 amp hour batteries on them. They're fully charged. We're ready to go. We're going to drive 500mm galvanized 14 gauge batten screws into this piece of pine here, trying to avoid the knots. So we're going to drive in 5 each and then pull them back out, see who does it the quickest.
Hey guys, great news. I made it back from the west. But seriously, had a great day out with tools and stuff. And I got to take part in some of the tool reviews that he does. And he's been doing them for a while. I've been watching his channel for 2 or 3 years. And his reviews have influenced at least one of my major tool purchases. Anyway, we had a great day. We, as I said, we did some of the tool reviews. We had to play around with our sanders, and we had a sweet barbecue. And it was a good day. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, it'd be sweet if you did. And also go check out Tools and Stuff for some great tool reviews. And he also does builds and woodworking and tool restoration and stuff like that as well. So check him out if you have a chance. Alright, sweet. Cheers, guys.
I'll get an empty and we'll get an empty beer bottle later. We'll do a shot of me having a beer.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that was my camera you just cut.